Hello, I'm Sys Tim of the Systainer.Store. In this video, we're going to talk about the Systainer3 front handle. When the Systainer3 was announced, one of the new features is the front handle. On the Systainer3 M 187 and shorter, the front handle lifts out so that one may carry it like a briefcase. This front handle is also replaceable, and we'll get to that in just a moment. On the M237 and taller, the front handle is more of a grab or a front grab. This makes it easier to lift out when it's on a shelf, in a sys rail, or your van racking. Now let me show you how to swap out that front handle. For this, you're going to need a small but sturdy slotted screwdriver. You also will need a replacement handle. The Systainer.Store carries both anthracite and light gray replacement front handles. The best way that I've found to replace the handle is to open up your Systainer and unlatch the handle so that it swings freely. When you look down into the Systainer, you're going to see the pocket where this catch mechanism mates with the Systainer body. You're going to want to use your slotted screwdriver to slightly compress the mechanism that mates in there, and then you can pull it out. So if I go like this, and then it just pops out and it comes free. You can take your replacement handle, and it's just as easy to put it in, mate it to one side, line it up with the other, and then use a little bit of force, and you'll hear it snap in. Your front handle is now swapped. And I'm Sys Tim of the Systainer.Store. Make it a great day.